Welcome back to the Northridge 4x4 Do-It-Yourself Garage, and today we're going to show you how we installed this Warn Zeon 10S winch into a factory steel bumper on this Gladiator using the new Grimm Offroad winch mount plate. Now, of course, we've got to start somewhere, and this is already installed, so let's re-roll some film and get to the beginning. Take a screwdriver under the head of the pin and bend the hell out of it. And then the body will lift right up. Pull the center pin up. The body comes out. And then this plastic trim comes out and can go away. Now, hang on to those body clips because they are used elsewhere on the vehicle. It's nice to have a couple extra in your toolbox. Next up is to remove the 5 bolts that hold this center pan on the bumper. Go to the fog light wiring harness plug, depress the lock, and pull the plug out. The bumper's held on by 8 nuts. There's 2 on both sides of the frame rail on each frame rail. This is the Grimm Offroad winch plate. It's built from CNC cut and bent 1/4-inch steel plate and then finished to match the factory bumper. And one of the first things we noticed when we took it out of the package is that it's one piece. You don't have extra brackets to bolt in to hold it in place. This just bolts in and it's quick and easy to do. So let's do that. Start out by grabbing a couple zip ties and zip tie right through the top hole, nice and tight. We want to make sure we hold this bracket into place. Then grab a 16mm socket and remove the 2 bolts, one on each side on the inside of the frame rails. Then you need to remove the bolts holding the skid plate brackets in place. There's 2 of them on each side. Slide the Grimm bumper plate up between the bumper mount supports and reinstall the factory bolts. Don't tighten them at this time. Make sure that you can still move this bumper plate just a little bit. Next up, take the skid plate brackets and slide them back into their original position and loosely install the factory bolts. Now, it can get real tight, so you might need to take a pry bar just to move the Grimm bracket a little bit. And then we can use a rubber mallet. And then just snug all the bolts up, but don't tighten them yet. Now you can get your zip ties out of the way. The winch mounting pattern is the industry standard 4.5 by 10 inches. So this will fit most winches. One of the things you do have to watch out for on most JL, JT winch mounting applications is this front bumper bracket. You often have to grind or cut some to make room depending on the size of the winch. For this installation, we're going to be installing a Warn Zeon 10S. And it just fits perfectly. One trick we use here on the winch mounting nuts is we throw a little adhesive silicone on the nut and then slide it into its channel, and it'll help hold it there as you're wrestling the winch in and out. Now with that Warn Zeon 10S bolted to the Grimm Offroad winch plate, it's the perfect time to spool up our winch rope. And that means we need to get some power to the winch. Now, there's multiple different routes we can route the wires. Let me show you how we like to do it. So first off, reach right down by the body mount and pop the Christmas tree out. Then a 10mm socket and remove the 5 bolts that hold the fender on. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now it's time to get our rope in. Now grab the red end of your winch rope. This is what goes up against the drum. You have this black eye. And if we look at the drum, you have a wide side. You have this narrow side here, and this is what we want to insert our rope through. Take some sort of a soapy liquid and spray it right down into that hole. Use a lot of it. Same with the actual rope itself. You want to soak it in really good. Slide in your stainless wire and then slide down through the hole, and then we're going to rotate and push some of the rope in back behind the drum. Grab a large pair of needle nose pliers, choke up on it quite a bit, and then wrap around that wire. And now we want to start pulling. And if it's slippery enough, it'll slip right through. Now you want to grab the small key that came with your winch. And you notice this little slot, you want to have that facing up. And we're going to slide it right in, slide it right into the loop, and then get that, work it all the way down so the rope goes completely around the end of it. Now we're going to squirt some more soapy mixture in there and then rotate the drum back around. Then lock your drum and give it a good pull. So now if we look at it now, that's buried down in, so the wraps of rope going around the drum won't be affected by it. So let's go back to lock. And we can plug in our controller. And let's start spooling it in. And make sure to leave a little bit hanging out the end to feed through your bumper. So there you have it, another upgrade from Grimm Offroad for the factory steel bumpers found on the Wranglers and Gladiators. Want more information? Drop down to that description box below where you'll find links to all the cool products we used in this video. You'll also find that like button and that subscribe button. Hit those and then leave us a comment. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, thanks Northridge Nation.